Guys, and what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is your girl, I am Jade Marshall. So today's topic is going to be about drum. It's going to be about benefits of tubal reversal. So I have a few key things that I want to talk about in this video and discuss with you guys. So just stay tuned and watch. My name is Jade. If you are new here, we talk about different things like my tubal reversal. I upload braid videos from time to time. I also talk about random things like ear piercings, and because I'm a fitness trainer, I do discuss related fitness topics. So if you're interested in all of those things, or even just one of those things, definitely go ahead and click the subscribe button. I would like it if I can get to 500 subscribers, guys. So let's go ahead and raise those numbers up. And if it's any type of videos that you guys would like to see besides tubal reversal, the braids, or just the random things that I do talk about as far as like fitness, definitely let me know. Comment down below. No, I don't often get on here because I'm trying to figure out what you guys do like, and I'm just sitting back and watching the views on certain videos. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm staying consistent with you all. So let's get into this video. So I want to talk about benefits about tubal reversal. So first, if you haven't been following me, I have a tubal reversal playlist that you can actually go and follow. It starts from my day one, from the day one of me getting surgery, after surgery, like my 2-week update, my 3-week update, and so forth and so forth on. I also have, you know, things to watch before you get into tubal reversal, and you know, things of that nature. So like I said, it's always good to always ask me questions. I'll be more than happy to do a Q&A video in regards to tubal reversal. But of course, I need you guys to comment those questions, or either email me here at, I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen, but you can definitely email me at jadethejewel91@gmail.com if you do not feel comfortable with asking me those questions on YouTube. No problem. So let's first get into the first benefit of tubal reversal. So one of the benefits for me with tubal reversal was my periods became more regular. And I noticed it about the second month after my tubal reversal surgery that everything was starting to get back on track. So before that, I was having like irregular periods. Sometimes I'll have them like 31 to 35 days, and sometimes in between. I never really knew when it was coming sometimes. So it would kind of like make me feel like I was going to be pregnant, but I knew deep down inside my mind that I wouldn't be, because I knew I had my tubes. I had clips on my tubes. So that's one benefit of, you know, getting a tubal reversal is, you know, regulating your periods. Everybody wants to be able to at least have some consistency. Plus, with regular periods comes a higher chance of conceiving. So I think that's a really good thing as well. So yeah, benefit number one, regular periods. So benefit number two, which I just discussed in regards to regular periods, was a higher chance of conceiving. So with tubal reversal, I don't know if you guys know, there's different other options out there besides tubal reversal. Tubal reversal is more like the more natural way of trying to conceive, if you are looking for that option. If not, if you're just trying to find something to help you get a baby quick, you feel like, you know, tubal reversal is not the way, you don't want to go through the surgery, there is IVF. And basically you can look that up, taking some of your eggs and then taking sperm and putting those two things together to create the baby, and then putting it back into your uterus. So if that's something that you are interested in, definitely research on that. I don't really have too much information on that. However, I choose tubal reversal because I feel like it's the more natural way. I feel like there's a higher chance of conceiving. Every doctor, every time I've researched it, that is what the statistics are saying, is that you have a higher chance of conceiving with tubal reversal than you do with any other method. And it just gives you a natural sense of belonging, and it makes you feel more like a woman, which I'm gonna get into that next. But it just gives you the sense of your womanhood. It just makes you feel, you know, because it's natural. It's like, you know, okay, my body still works. I'm able to still do these things. So yeah, number three, the third benefit to having tubal reversal is feeling like a woman again. The sense of belonging, a sense of feeling like you're a woman, you know, being able to produce and do what your body was made to do. So I feel like that's another benefit. It actually makes you feel better, and you feel like, you know, you have a higher chance, which is the other benefit. So, and it's true, you do have a higher chance when you are doing it a natural way. So yeah, I feel more like a woman, to be honest, because now I don't feel as guilty. I don't feel like, okay, dang, what if I could have been pregnant, and what if I was and I ruined it because of the clips. So boom, voila, that's another benefit. I feel like it actually does make you feel better. You feel more confident after the surgery as well. So the fourth benefit to me is the regulation of hormones. So I've noticed it with myself, and it's proven to be a fact as well. So with regulation of hormones, you don't have to worry about, you know, things being out of whack. And again, this play a part in your period and ovulation and everything. So with the regulation of hormones, because you no longer have those foreign objects in your body, regulation of hormones. So basically, when you are on any type of like birth control method, as far as like the tubal reversal, the pill, the shot, whatever that may be is. So technically what's happening is there is a signal just basically telling all efforts in regards to ovulation to stop, meaning that, you know, you're not going to be able to get pregnant. So that causes your hormones to be irregular, because, you know, what our bodies were meant to do was basically conceive and ovulate and go through a period and all those things. So, you know, with having the foreign objects in your body and taking the different types of birth control methods, it does cause irregular hormones, aka meaning you're not going to get pregnant, or you have a very low chance of becoming pregnant. So with tubal reversal, I feel like it just basically reverses all those things, and I feel like the word is so fitting for it. It feels like everything that I was going through before the reversal is reversed. So it just really feels good, and that's one of the benefits that I feel like you can get or obtain with tubal reversal. This just goes back, this next benefit here in regards to tubal reversal just plays back into the whole feeling more natural and more chances of conceiving, because in regards to, like I said, the other methods out there like the IVF, there is it more successful compared to the other method. It is less expensive as well. So that's something to also look into as well. That's why I chose it. Yeah, so those are definitely all the benefits to tubal reversal. Those are the benefits that I actually can stand by and say, hey, this worked for me. I guarantee that you can do this as well and you'll be just fine, versus any other method if that's something that you're looking for. But like I said, definitely do your own research. If I come across any information and you guys are requesting it, I'll definitely do a video on it, but I need you guys to just let me know what you're wanting. So that is all, guys. Thank you so much. This month I do plan to make at least 2 videos a week. I'm gonna try. Don't hold me to it, but I definitely want to try to get more content out for you guys. Like I said, I just need you guys to let me know what you want to see. But that is all. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.